These are two of my first body cam videos that I posted on my channel. My purpose in posting them had to do with women using entitlement and privilege as an excuse to get out of bad behavior or flat out breaking the rules. It wasn't to humiliate people. Most definitely was not for people to make racist remarks, nor was it a chance for anyone to use mental health issues as an excuse to make racial slurs. Hi, my name is Erin, and I'm the person behind Journeys of Peace. I posted these first few videos for a reason that flew over everyone's head. This video has gotten the most views, and several people commented and understood the point I was trying to make. Then I noticed a disturbing trend. If the offender is Black, the comments are racist and dominate the conversation. If it's a white man, it gets no views. If it's a white couple who literally attack a Hispanic man, nobody cares. This white woman attacked a Black child and his mother on a plane. She was so violent during the arrest. Police used the hobble device. It's controversial and it has been known to cause unaliving in suspects. Not only did I see no concern for a child being attacked on a plane, but it seems nobody wants to see a white woman acting like an animal. This video has 34 views. What would you be saying if she was another race? A white man goes into the Atlanta airport, the world's busiest airport, during a federal shutdown with the intention of domestic terrorism. Crickets. But a Black woman who is scared, low on money, and possibly homeless, that becomes a cheap shot for racist behavior. I can't show you the actual comments without violating YouTube's policies, but you can see the pattern. And if you've been in these comment sections, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Here's what I realized. I was benefiting by giving racists a platform. Not intentionally, I wasn't seeking this out, but impact matters more than intent. Every video I posted with a Black passenger in conflict became a magnet for racist commentary. That's on me. I'm sorry for that, but it ends now. I want to be very clear about something. I'm not a victim here. I saw the pattern in the comments. I saw which videos attracted which audiences, and I kept posting because the views were good and my channel was growing. I told myself I was documenting police interactions from things that annoy me about air travel. I told myself I was showing transparency. I told myself the content had value, and maybe it did, but not enough value to justify what it enabled. And clearly, it didn't make the point I intended. So here's what's changing. First, I'm implementing a zero tolerance community standard on comments. Racist comments get deleted immediately. Repeat offenders get banned. No warnings, no deletes, no free speech arguments. This is my channel and those are my rules. And I'm going back and deleting many comments. Second, I'm empowering this community to help moderate. If you see racist commentary, report it. I'm checking reports daily and I will act on them. Third, and this is the big one, I'm done with raw body cam content entirely. Not reducing it, not being more careful about which videos I post. Done, finished. That content stream is over. Going forward, body cam footage will be part of a story with a bigger picture that makes a point about travel and better to our fellow travelers. If you're with me, please stay. You're welcome. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But remember, this is my channel, and if you're nasty about any part of my creative process, I won't put up with it. This isn't your space to bully or be a jerk. It's my platform, not yours. But to everybody else who's nice and considerate, have a good day, and until next time, bon voyage.